Ano-ano nga ba ang mga benepisyo na makukuha natin sa bawang o garlic? Mahalaga ang bawang kung kalusugan ang pag-uusapan, dahil pinipigilan nito ang pagdami ng bakterya sa loob ng katawan. Mayaman ang bawang sa vitamin B6, manganese, vitamin C, copper at calcium. Ito ang 12 benepisyo ng bawang bilang gamot. Una, pampababa ng kolesterol. Ganito po yung itsura ng kolesterol sa ating ugat, at panoorin po natin ang video.
Cholesterol is a fat that travels in your bloodstream through your body. Your cells use cholesterol as a building material. Over time, a lot of cholesterol can build up inside the walls of your arteries. A buildup of cholesterol causes fatty streaks to form in your arteries. This is part of a process called atherosclerosis, which narrows and stiffens the arteries. The longer the cholesterol sits in the artery walls, the harder it gets. Eventually, a fatty streak can get so large and hard that it cracks, causing a clot to form around the crack. This clot can block the artery, causing a heart attack or stroke.
Pangalawa, pampababa ng blood pressure. Panoorin natin kung ano ang normal blood pressure.
Normal blood pressure is where your systolic pressure, or the top number, is less than 120, and your diastolic pressure, or the bottom number, is less than 80. If you are below this level, make sure you check your blood pressure at least twice a year. If your pressure is 120 to 139 over 80 to 89, you should monitor it closely and make healthy lifestyle changes. If you have a pressure of 140 over 90 or higher and you are not already being treated for high blood pressure, seek medical attention. If you are being treated, make sure to take your prescribed medicine.
Pangatlo, maiiwasan ang heart attack. Pang-apat, maiiwasan ang pagputok ng ugat. Pang-lima, gamot din sa sipon. Pang-anim, gamot sa sore throat. Pang-pito, sakit sa ngipin. Pang-walo, barado ang ilong. Pang-siyam, pampalakas ng immune system. Pang-sampu, gamot din sa alipunga. Pang-11, para sa insekto. At pang-12, gamot sa bulati sa tiyan. Okay po, sana po nakatulong ang impormasyong ito tungkol sa bawang. At sana po huwag pong kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa susunod kong upload.
I should fuck her in a Benz.